Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday, TJF, everybody. It's October 18th, and we'll have the weekend coming up. It's been beautiful here in Southern California, so hopefully you guys are experiencing the same in your neck of the woods. So we did have some economic news releases scheduled for today, like quite a few of the other days, but due to the government shutdown, it will be released later. Now, some of the items, like the jobs reports that were out there that were not disclosed by due to the government shutdown will be announced later next week. So be prepared for some volatility there, especially next week's. Now, what we basically got going on right now is the stock market is currently up, and it's all basically the fundamentals what they're looking at. So we are in third quarter earnings report, so they're looking at corporations, and that's what the stock market's kind of going up. But a lot of investors are also kind of taking a look at now the government shutdown. What does this exactly mean? How is this affecting the the current economic landscape? And then also because of this temporary, it's basically temporary. They just kind of moved it off for beginning of next year. Are we going to face this question again? Even though the president and the Republicans are saying no, there's no this. That's not even going to be talked about a shutdown. But again, can we trust that? Trust what they say? So that's how that's going to be playing a part, what's going to be factored in there. A lot of analysts now are actually reducing their GDP numbers from the 2s down to maybe 2 or even lower than 2, like 1.6 range, and figuring this is going to affect our economy, and basically instead of that growth, it's going to cut back a bit and actually be almost like nil on our growth standpoint. So also don't be surprised later on that maybe we even hear some more grease items out there again, because we haven't heard from them in a while. They're still not on top of their game yet, and they're that could be brought up again. So with all that in mind, we'll take a look at the bond market and see what's going on over there. And right now we actually jumped up quite a bit. We're down 18 basis points for the day, but we're still higher than we were left off yesterday. So we start off the morning with a better price, and now we're pretty close to where we left off yesterday. That opening gap we had did get closed. This could stay this way, as I mentioned, as we had a big opening gap yesterday for that day. So again, we're showing trends of an improvement in the bond market. Speaking of such, there's actually a great article on MarketWatch, which I will post on here to go ahead and take a look at, so you could view it. But it's basically saying the bonds are sending a worrisome signal about the growth in the economy. So take a look at it. It's actually a good article, I thought, and I figured I'd share it with you guys. So again, I'll post it down below, and check it out. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll look forward to seeing you guys next week. And again, thanks for watching.